Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add or remove people or pages from your favorites on Facebook. This will be super easy, so let's get into it. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen or bottom right corner of the screen, whichever it is on your end. Now click on Feeds and select Favorites. Now click on Manage Favorites. Here you can see all the pages, people you added to your favorites, and to remove them you just need to click on that specific person or page and click on the three dots beside their names and click on remove from favorites. And to add someone or a page to your favorites, you just need to see it here and click on the add button, and you can switch from friends to pages as well and add them. And that's it. That's how you add or remove people or pages from your favorites on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.